I'm Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts, and we're going to demonstrate the downward elbow from Muay Thai. So I have a specific way that I throw this technique, and it's from the Muay Thai blocks. He's here, he's throwing it, okay, here, boom, coming right down from here. So it's a check and then elbow. A lot of people, and I'm just driving, let's without you going here, I'm here, see? Very devastating, the tip of the elbow. You do not have to go to the face. He's here, I can go clavicle, shoulder, okay? But to the face, this is very devastating. See that? Now, if he's gonna throw the other side so you can see it from this angle, here to here, ripping. Do you notice how I'm protected the whole time? From here, okay? I'm staying protected. So we're here, again from your lead, here we go, and it's here, okay? We also can, go one more time, if he's following up with this hand, I can attack the bicep, okay? A downward elbow right on the bicep. I'm not doing this big exaggerated motion of a downward elbow. Now keep in mind, there are times for that. Against takedowns, different situations, you're going towards the back with the takedown. There's times to bring it straight up and straight down, okay? This is just something that kind of came naturally to me in Muay Thai. You're protected. Again, don't do these big exaggerated movements, okay? Just right from here. I'm blocking, down. That's it, very simple.